Hey, this is Yogeshkumar Rathod, very few amongst the highest degrees achiever in the world. Welcome you all to my lecture on Ravindranath Tagore. Ravindranath Tagore was born on 7th May 1861 at Thakurbari, Kolkata. In his childhood, he lost his mother at early age, so was raised by servants. His father, Devendranath Tagore, wanted him to become a lawyer, but he chose, instead of becoming a lawyer, to write poems, compose dramas, painting, etc. Ravindranath Tagore was awarded highest award of the world, Nobel Prize, for his work on Gitanjali in 1913. Ravindranath Tagore composed India's national anthem Jana Gana Mana and Bangladesh national anthem Amar Sonar Bangla. He became friends with Mahatma Gandhi. Britishers gave him knighthood, but horrifying Jallianwala Bagh incident, he returned it back to the Britishers. Ravindranath Tagore was great in English literature, writing poems, composing dramas, painting, etc. etc. I'll give you more information later. Thanking you.